Hello students, welcome to Shastra classes. Today we'll learn logarithms. If you know indices, it is very much easy for you to solve problems on logarithms. So guys, if you know that 2 power 4 equals to 16. Here 2 is nothing but the base and 4 is nothing but the power and 16 is the value that we get. So we can express this in the form of logarithm. So logarithm can be expressed as log value to the base equals to power. So basically logarithm returns the power to you. Okay. So log of 16 to the base 2 gives you 4. So what we have taken? We have taken the value and we have taken the base. We get the power. So let us look at few examples. 2 power 3 equals to 8. Here the value is much. So value will be here. The base is 2. Base is 2. The power is 3. The answer will be 3. Similarly, 3 square equal to 9. So log of value is 9 and the base is 3. So we have the base 3 and the power is 2. So the answer is 2. So guys, we know anything to the power 0 equals to 1. So that's why if we convert into logarithm, log 1 to the base a will give you 0. So whenever you have log 1, the answer will be 0. Irrespective of the base, the answer will be 0 only. Also, you know that a power 1 equals to a. So log a to the base a will be 1. So when the value and the base are similar, the answer will be 1. So first formula in logarithm is log m into n equals to log m plus log n. Log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. Log m power n. So if you have m power n, this power n will come here. It will become n log m. Log a by b, we can see log a to the base b. We can write it as 1 by log b to the base a. So if we send this here, log a to the base b into log b to the base a will become 1. If you want to change the base, here the base is b. If you want to change it to any other base, you can do it this way. Log a by log b to any base. Let's say c. Okay. Also, if log a equals to log b and the bases are same, then a equals to b. So guys, I'll be solving only the tough problems given in your material. Please open 14th problem, exercise 1D. 14th problem, exercise 1D. So the 14th problem is log x plus log y equals to log x plus y. Y can be expressed as, they want the value of y. So guys, we know that log mn equals to log m plus log n. So I can write this as log xy becomes log xy equals to log x plus y. When let we assume that generally the base is the same, so xy equals to plus y. They want the value of y, right? So let us take y here and take y as common. Y is equals to x by Next we'll do 16th question. 16th one. Log x to the base plus log x to the base 4 log x to the base 16 equals to 21 by 4. 1 by 4. The value of x. They asked us the value of x. So guys, we can write this as, log a to the base b can be written by log b to the base a. So I'll write it as 1 by log 2 to the base x, 1 by log 4 to the base x by log 16 to the base x equal 1 by 4. So by log 2 to the base x as I'll write 4 as 2 square log 2 square to the base. I'll write 16 as log 2 power 4 to the base equals to 21 by 4. So guys, this 2 we know log m power n will come here, okay. 1 by log 2 to the base x plus 1 by 2 log 2 to the base x plus 1 by 4 log 2 to the base x, that will be equals to 21 by 4. So if I take common log 2 to the base x as common, it will be 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, 21 by 4. We take LCM by 2 log 2 to the base x, 4 plus 2 plus 5 equals to 21 by 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. By log 2 to the base x to 7 equals to 7. 7 1s are 7 3s are. We have 1 by log 2 to the base x equals to 3. So log 2 to the base x equals to 1 by 3. So this is the base, this is the power, this is the value. So we get x power 1 by 3 equals to 2. It will be 2 cube, nothing but x is 8. So the next question that I'll do is 23. The tough question. If you have any doubt, you can comment. Whatever the questions that you comment, I'll solve and post it. 23rd one. Guys, log a to the base b into log b to the base c to log c to the base whole square. Guys, as I said earlier, we can change the base to base if we want. So let us change every base to x. Log a to the base x by log b to the base x to log b to the base x by log c to the base log c to the base x by log a to the base whole square. So everything gets cancelled. A log b equals to 1. Simple. And next we'll do the fifth. 25 to the base 8. So guys, we know the value of log 2. Since we know the value of log 2, we need to solve in the question in such a way that we only get the value of log 2. And we know the log 2. See, if nothing is given, we assume that the base is 10. So we know the value of log 2 to the base 10 is 0.3010. So if we want to convert it into base 10, we should convert it like this: log 25 base 10 by log 8 base 10. So how do we write it? As we write 25 5 square the base log 2 to the base 10 whole cube. 2 cube is 8, 5 square is 25. So we know that log m to the power n will come here. So it will be 2 log 5 to the base 10 by 3 log 2 to the base 10. So we can separate this 2 by 3 into. So how can we write this? As we know the value of log 2 to the base 10, right? This 0.3010. I'll write 5 as log 10 by 2. 5 is nothing but 10 by 2. We can write it like that. Is equal to 2 by 3 log m by n. It is log 10 to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10 by 0.310. So guys, log a to the base a, it is always equals to 1. 2 by 3 into 1 minus, we know the value of log 2, 0.3010 divided by 0.3010. So the answer that we get approximately 1.548. That's the answer. So guys, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to teach you. We'll meet in the next video with the next chapter. Thank you.